Hello students, welcome back in my YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn a new topic, that is copying and moving data. And this topic is also learned in a Microsoft Excel editing a worksheet chapter. Okay, moving and copying a data, this is also the practical topic. So how we'll perform all the operation in a worksheet, we'll do the practical session. But copying means refers to duplicating data. Duplicating data, that means we want to paste the same data at a different places. Okay, suppose that this is 20 and the same data I want to paste or I want to store at this another location. So in that case we apply a copy option. Okay, suppose that you have a column number next, that is a D, and the same value, this data if you want to copy here, so that is a duplicate data, that means the same data you are pasting in a new location at a new place. So this process is called a copying a data. Now the second topic is the moving data. Moving data. Moving refers to changing the position of the data either in the same worksheet or in another worksheet. Right? Means if you want to move a data, you have to this it, and if you want to move that same data at another location, right? So in that case, your value will disappear from that place, and you can see in a new worksheet you can paste here. Okay, so that means moving means you can move the data from the destination place and shift at new location. Okay, so this process is called as a moving a data. This operation you can perform the same worksheet or another worksheet also, right? You are working on sheet number 1, suppose that this is a sheet number 1, and the same data if you want to paste on the sheet number 2. Okay, so you can move that data from the sheet 1 to sheet 2, or if you want to move the same data, this data on the worksheet new, the worksheet 2. Okay, so in that place you can move that data from this worksheet to this worksheet. Okay, so in this video we'll learn how we can copy and move the data from the worksheet 1 to worksheet 2 or worksheet 1 to next worksheet. Now let's start. Select the cell or range of cells that you want to copy. For example, we want to copy name of the student and marks of Hindi subject. So we'll select the range of cells. Okay, and then click on the copy button in the clipboard group. Now we can see in the home tab there is a first group, clipboard group. In clipboard group there is a second option, that is a copy. Okay, so we'll click on that. Now you can see the moving dashed line will appear around the selected cells. Okay, so we have select these areas, and this area has been dashed with the line. After that, select that cell where you want to copy the text or data. I want to copy this data. Okay, in that place, same sheet number 3, in that place. So I'll select this cell like L4. The location is L4, and after that I'll click on the paste button. Again go on home tab, and in the clipboard group you have a paste option. Okay, so if we click on the paste option, now we can see our selected and copied data. Okay, copied that to the new location. The same data, Rahul Kumar, there is also Rahul Kumar. Marks of Hindi, that is 20, is also 20. Ridhima, then Nidhima, and you can see the last, that is Deepika, that Deepika. Marks of the Hindi is a 20 and she is getting 20. So the selected data copied from source to destination, or we can say that in that place to new location. Okay, so this is a process to copy the same data at a same sheet. Okay, next is I want to copy some more data with the help of the shortcut key. I'll select the cells, range of cells, and I'll press shortcut key Ctrl plus C. So data is copied. Okay, and after that I'll paste this data at a new location. I'll select here and press the shortcut key Ctrl plus V. I'll not go on that option. I'll press shortcut key Ctrl plus V from the keyboard. Now you can see the copied data is appearing or pasted at that new location. So this is a process to paste or copied data at the same location, means the same sheet, that is a sheet number 3. Same data we want to paste at a new location. So what we'll do, we'll select the data, click on the copy option, and now we click on the new sheet, that is sheet number 4, and I want to paste at the new location. Set the location and click on the paste option. Now you can see the selected data paste on the and copied on to the new location. Okay, so this is our new location, that is sheet number 4, and this is our main location where we have entered the all data. Okay, and now this is a new location. Okay, and if you want to paste the same data repeatedly, okay, then click on the paste button. Now again I want to same data paste many times, so set the location, click on the paste option. Okay, next set the location, click on the paste option. Now again I want set the location, click on the paste option. So now we can see the same data we have pasted many times. Okay, now the next method we can use as a moving a data. Moving a data, that means we want shift the all data from this place to new location. Okay, so same process, I want to copy this data, and in that case I'll use a cut option, right? And we can set the new location and we paste a paste option. Okay, now check that location. We were in the sheet number 3. Now see, the selected data has been moved a new location, sheet number 5. Now come back, this is a sheet number 3, and now all the data we have shifted at a new location. Okay, same process you can use as the shortcut key. Select the data, press the Ctrl X from the keyboard, Ctrl X. Now I want to shift in the same location, set the location and control a shortcut key, that is a Ctrl B. You can change, you can see your selected data was in that place, and now we have shifted that data in the new location. So this process is called moving a data. Okay.